Apartment Pini 4, main entrance, living room, amazing sea view. Still air conditioning is missing, but will be installed very soon. Kitchen corner. Fully equipped kitchen will be included in the price. Kitchen will be in a light vanilla color with a grey top, and this very nice original Sicilian maiolica will be installed on the wall. Second bedroom, again with an entrance to the balcony and amazing sea view. Guest bathroom, toilet with a shower sink, and here we are in the master bedroom. Look at the view. With an ensuite bathroom, again with a shower, bidet, toilet and sink, of course. Still missing, but will be completed very soon. I'm going to the balcony now. And let's go to the private roof terrace of apartment Pini 4. The stairs are not finished yet, of course. There will be a fan. So here we are. And this position, there will be a 3D mini pool installed.